Today I'm going to show you how to make barcodes in Excel and how to install barcode font. Type this formula first. Then I will drag it down to copy to every cell below. Then we will go to Font Style and select IDAAHC39M code 39B. As you can see that it has converted into barcodes. If you don't have the barcodes font, then I will show you how to install it. Download the file from the description, unzip it. I have already extracted it. After extracting the files, open iDautomation C39M folder. In that you will see iDautomation Cheek 39M code 39 barcode.ttf file. Open it, install it. Now it will show you in Excel fonts too. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please comment. We will solve it as soon as possible.